In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a purchase order to your supplier with Xero. If you're managing a business, efficiently processing your purchase orders is crucial. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process in Xero, ensuring your transactions are smooth and effective. First things first, we need to head to Xero. You can easily find Xero by opening your web browser and running a quick search. Type in Xero in the search bar and click on the result titled Xero, Accounting Software for Small Businesses. This will lead you to the main page of the Xero website, where you can manage various financial tasks for your business. Once you're on the Xero homepage, look for the Login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Enter your username and password, then continue to log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so before proceeding. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options allowing you to manage your business finances. Let's focus on creating a purchase order. On the dashboard, look for a small plus icon in the menu. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down list of options. From the list, select Purchase Order. This option allows you to initiate the process of drafting a new order for your supplier. Clicking on Purchase Order will open a new window or tab, depending on your settings. You'll be taken to a form where you can fill in all the necessary details for your order. Now, start by adding your supplier's name. This is crucial as it identifies which company or individual you are dealing with. Be sure to select the correct supplier from the list, or manually enter their name if it's a new entry. Next, input the supplier's address. Accurate address details ensure that the purchase order is documented correctly and that deliveries or communications reach the right destination. Double-check the address for any typos or incorrect information. Once all the information and any additional details, such as purchase order line items or quantities, have been entered, you'll need to approve the purchase order. Locate the Approve button, typically found at the bottom of the form. Clicking Approve finalizes the purchase order and moves it to the next step in the process. And there you have it. You've successfully created and sent a purchase order to your supplier using Xero. Whether you're familiar with accounting software or fairly new to it, this process will streamline your orders and help maintain a smooth supply chain for your business. As you become more familiar with Xero, you'll find it a valuable tool for managing not only purchase orders, but also your broader financial workflows.